communication sa kanong lesson kapon. So, sino maka-remember sa lesson ko kapon? Dito. Kung doon ba may natutunan ka?
Diyan, wala na pasa, Diyan.
It's about what? Onin. Lesson tayo ako. Number na one. Our lesson all about kapon. Ang discuss sa kapon. It's about ano? Effective communication in the digital age. So kahapon na-discuss ang what is communication? Communication? Exchange of communication to technologies or digital technologies. Di ba kung about digital communication? How about the effective digital communication? Yeah. You remember the class about what is the effective digital communication all about? This one. Sige na. So, speaking.
Effective communication, ang tinatawag, if ang message na may-send mo gamit ang digital is clear and concise, maintindihan sa receiver or sender.
Exactly. Diba kung sa effective communication, it has to convey your awareness of the audience, the tone of the message, the time of the message, the conciseness, diba? It also medical standards, effective digital communication. And kahapon also we discuss about the importance, diba? The importance of effective digital communication in our digital age. And also, we discussed also about the elements. So, I can remember the first element of effective digital communication. Number one, ano ka? Email. The platforms na about platform. Ano pang one? Elements. Sige daw, yung may direct transfer na sa likod. Ito number one. Clarity and conciseness. Ano yung clarity and conciseness? Clear. Klaro. Concise, ano? Organize, ano ba? Direct, yun po. Hindi ka na mabitin na mag-chat. Indiretso ha. Number 2, ano number 2?
Collaboration.
Collaboration and?
Appropriate.
Appropriate tone and language. So, by using what? Sige na. O, sige naman, sorry nyo. By using what? In tone and language. Using ano? In what ways? Using? Tone voice. Respectful language and tone and language is also using the polite words, di ba? Parang tone mo, doon respectful sa kasama. May please, may good morning, may thank you, o may goodbye, may Japon. Yung respectful manners. Number 3. Ito number 3.
Audience awareness.
Audience awareness. So, what do you mean by audience awareness?